In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive on Substack. If your Substack feels cluttered or you need to quietly take a published post off your site, this walkthrough will show you two simple workflows: archiving posts you follow from your reading inbox and unpublishing posts you've published on your own publication. We'll keep things clear and efficient so you can clean up your view without deleting anything you might need later. Start by opening Substack and heading to your subscriptions area. This opens your reading inbox, where you see recent posts from the publications you follow. Browse through the list and find the post you want to clear out of your queue. When you've identified it, look for the archive icon next to the post. Depending on your layout, it may appear as a small box or folder symbol. Click the archive icon and the post will be booted out of your main inbox. This is great for staying organized. Archiving here doesn't delete the post or unsubscribe you. It simply removes it from your immediate reading list so you can focus on what's current. Now, if you need to manage your own publication's content, head to your dashboard. This is where all of your creator tools live. Inside the dashboard, open the post section to see everything you've published. Take a moment to scan or search for the post you want to change. When you find it, click the three dots to reveal more options. From that menu, choose Unpublish. This action removes the post from your public site and feed, so new readers won't see it. It's a clean way to fix mistakes, pause a post, or update content without permanently deleting it. Substack may prompt you to confirm the change, and once you do, the post will no longer be publicly accessible on your publication. If you've already emailed it, the messages remain in subscribers' inboxes, but the public link will stop working. You can always return later, make edits, and publish again when you're ready. A couple of quick tips as you work. If you don't immediately see the archive icon in your inbox, open the post preview and check the available controls there. In your posts view, use filters or the search bar to quickly locate older items before you unpublish. And consider leaving a note or scheduling an updated version if you're unpublishing something that readers rely on. That's it. By archiving in your subscriptions and unpublishing from your dashboard, you can keep your reading list tidy and your publication polished with just a few clicks.